I am so ready for this message, and I'm praying that it will find your heart space. Your third eye is your most powerful tool. You are so powerful when you close these eyes and you open the real one, the one that is manifesting new realities, the one that sees beyond the veil. Everything that you see with these eyes is not the reality. It's the fabric of the mind based on your wounds, on your traumas, on your fears. You keep repeating patterns over and over and over again. You see the same reality over and over and over again until you break it. You have the power when you connect from within to create the desired reality. Everything you want to accomplish exists within you already. To do so, you have the most powerful tool into this entire universe, Mother Kundalini, the serpent fire, that is located in your spine. Each month, when the moon is in your sun sign, you have the capacity to raise your serpent fire for the secret secretion to come and activate fully your glands, pineal and pituitary glands, for you to remember who you truly are. Therefore, you're going to reactivate your gift, talents, power, abilities, your dormant DNA. And I am here on this planet to help you do so. It was 222 when I was saying that. I have the power to help you raise your Kundalini. And she's going to burn and transmute all of your traumas, your trapped emotions. She's going to literally bring you to another state of consciousness. She's going to bring you closer to your dream reality. She is divine technology. She knows what is your full potential. I'm hearing she knows. She is divine intelligence. She knows what needs to disappear out of your DNA, out of your cellular system, and be replaced every new moon with new codes and activations. I am connected to your Kundalini, your serpent fire right now. Therefore, I am going to help you create your new reality. I am gifted with sacred chants from God, Goddess, all that is. I'm working with Isis, Mary Magdalene. I'm working with a lot of different theta races like Andromeda and Arcturian, Alpha Centauri, Mintaka. A lot of ascendant masters of the highest light and guardian angels, archangels of the highest light. And today, I am ready to help your Kundalini rise. Close your eyes, please. Take a deep breath in. Rayoto kuma atsara eya nanana so atsara ya kantara osoro mononote yasa. Your inner word is so powerful. Everything come from your inner world. Do not react to your outer reality. Never react to it as it doesn't exist. If you want to change the outer circumstances, you need to seek inside of you. Transmute. Use the power of the sacred flame of transmutation. As soon as you see an emotion that you do not want anymore, you're just asking the violet flame or the green flame, the blue flame, pink flame or ruby red fire, to transmute, make space for you to receive what's new. It implies that you're ready to move forward, you're ready to change your habits, your circumstances. And ultimately is going to bring in other outcome, the new you, the real you, the true authentic self. Raya ana totorugu shuma ade ikiri iana nanatiu wasaraya teo maya. Tina ya 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 say ya sinene ya sinene what's now kiana Re isiu no to kuru no to we ira nekse igara ikitruku sikimi idiri yo to imekisera ya kitruku ma asara nikitri yo sotoro umatara ekotrukuba atara iya matara iya sara iya tara iya bukutrukuma. I'm hearing that these codes are going to help you declutter a certain trauma that is connected to your sacral chakra, pikini ketra epekesere imiketra ntrea might be blocking your kundalini kare motra biketra imekesuru umanara etiki idiri no tu kutrukuma asra etro uma asra I say ineyo ru umutututu rumi esreya to kuma ya kuma ya na como yo ya na teneke bring peace. So if you want to dig deeper, I offer through my website a very powerful masterclass. It's going to help you activate fully your Kundalini. In the first session, we're going to dig into your Akashic record to remove all of the fears and the trauma, the trapped emotions. Second session, we're going to call your power back. Anything that has been stolen from you. And on the third session, we're going to activate fully your serpent fire to burn and to align you with your true authentic self. I love you. And until next time, namaste.